Press.
Mine is middle. Wait. Oh, nice.
So what we faced the problem was the connection. We found out that the connection can be delayed during the classroom, as we tried. And when we moved up to the classroom, the connection was better.
Usually it disconnects, but I think they don't have a fail-safe properly implemented. So every time I try to launch, right, it just goes on until the code tries to stop, but it doesn't stop because it's broken.
Then there was the problem of finding the music, the right music. Actually, we should thank Royston for that, our other member. He's the one who suggested we use the school song, and we enjoyed the song, so we put that into this drone dance, flight dance. And one more problem was actually the timing for the drone and the music to sync, which I think you just saw is a bit off, was actually the codes. It took about longer to recognize the codes as it supposed to do its function.
Yeah, so essentially, right, it's a lot of trial and error to try to sync it up because connection issues it's random we tested, I think one of the drone 3 times. I think it was like 40 seconds the first time, 30 and then 30 again.